Hello and welcome to the Ultimate Cakewalk by Bandlab tutorial course. In this tutorial course, you are going to learn everything that you need to know about Cakewalk by Bandlab. Everything from downloading and installing the program to setting it up and customizing it to meet your needs, as well as mixing, mastering, and releasing a song with multi-tracks that are included in this particular tutorial course. Before we start this tutorial course, I'd like to take just a little bit of time to introduce myself. My name is Robert McClellan, and I have been a musician since I was 13, been professionally recording since I was 21, and now at 38 years of age, I am the owner and operator of Mockingbird Studio in Southern Indiana. With that being said, the material that's going to be covered in this particular tutorial course is not going to be just off of the cuff, but from a long-time veteran user of 15 plus years working within this DAW. Although this will be the most in-depth tutorial course that I've ever released on Cakewalk by Bandlab, and all of the material that's included within this will be exclusive to this tutorial, there are still a lot of things that I may not be able to cover in depth, in which case I do have a YouTube playlist of completely free tutorials that cover a lot of the nuts and bolts that we may not have time to get to in this particular tutorial. Alright, so having covered the preliminaries of exactly what you're going to learn in this course, as well as who you're learning it from, let's go ahead and hop over to the desktop and let's start first off with downloading and installing Cakewalk by Bandlab.